Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix Roblox Error Code 267 and being kicked from a game. First, try switching servers. Leave the game that is giving you the error and join a completely different Roblox experience. After playing for a minute, return to the original game and join a different server instance if possible. Sometimes the server you were connected to is having temporary issues, and reconnecting to another server can solve the problem. Next, run Roblox as an administrator. Close Roblox completely. Right-click your Roblox shortcut and select Properties. Open the Compatibility tab, check Run this program as an administrator, then click Apply and OK. Launch Roblox again and check if the error is gone. If you are using a VPN or proxy, disable it before playing. Finally, check your account restrictions. Some Roblox games require players to meet certain account age or verification requirements. Make sure your account information matches the game's requirements. If necessary, complete any available account verification in your Roblox account settings before joining the game again. After trying these methods, restart Roblox and test the game again. Thanks for watching.